How to recover deleted stories on TikTok. Did you know that you can recover deleted stories on TikTok? With a little trick I'll show you, you'll be able to see all the stories you've deleted. Let's not waste time and jump right into the process. Open TikTok on your phone. Go to your profile by clicking on the profile icon. Now for demonstration purposes, I'll publish a story and then delete it. You publish a story using the standard procedure by clicking on the plus icon next to your profile picture. I'll choose a photo from my phone's gallery and finish by clicking on the Your Story button. After a few seconds, my story is published. Now, I'll delete my story. You can find detailed instructions on how to delete a story on TikTok on our channel. The link to the tutorial is available in the video description. As you can see, the story is no longer there. Now, let's begin the process of recovering the deleted story. Tap on the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. Then click on the Settings and Privacy option. Next, open the Account section. To recover deleted stories, you need the Download Your Data option. Click on it. In the Select File Format section, you can choose the format you want. I'll leave it as TXT by clicking Done. Submit your request to retrieve deleted data by clicking the Request Data button. And your request is in progress. TikTok will allow you to download the requested data when it's ready for retrieval. The data will be available to you within 4 days. I hope this tutorial helps you recover deleted stories. We'll be waiting for you on our channel in the next video. Subscribe to our channel to stay informed about new tutorials.